वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. आनी ही जण आसा आमची तोरां. तर हेका बरे भशेन धुवपाचें, हें सगळें काडपाचें एंड देन वी विल मेक सम pickle out of it. I've got a lot of other videos on pickle, you can check, but we will make some pickle as my neighbors have given me this specially raw mango. तो ह्या तोराचे आमी आयज पिकल करून घेवया. So now this is all nicely chopped. We'll add salt, around 2 tablespoons of salt to this, and leave this. And I have used rock salt. Rock salt is salty. 2 tablespoons is enough for this. Then our pickle masala is here. We have to roast this and grind this. Roast it dry. So these are like 12 Kashmiri chilies, but this is actually spicy side. So I've taken a spicy Kashmiri chilies. In market it is available. Then this size of tablespoon of cumin seeds. Then these are like around 20 to 30 peppercorns. In tablespoon it is half tablespoon. Then this is 1 tablespoon of soft, that is fennel seeds, half tablespoon of methi dana, that is fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon of black mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of onion seed, that is kalonji, and we will add half tablespoon of hing. So black hing, if you get, then use it, or you can use the normal one. That's it. And turmeric powder we will add for this now. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder is enough. Now we will roast this and grind it to fine powder. This is all roasted. I have kept it for cooling down. Here I have taken mustard oil, that is 1 cup of mustard oil. On low flame I am going to boil this, and then I will add this yellow mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons. And our hing powder, half tablespoon. And then once the mustard seeds crackle, no, then I will put off the gas and let it cool down. So now I will put off the gas and let it cool down. Then we will add to our mango with the masala. Our masala powder is ready. Pickle masala powder is ready. Now we will add half teaspoon of turmeric in this and mix well before adding to our pickle. So our oil is cooled down. So we will add our mango in this oil and our masala. and mix this on nicely. Our pickle is going to be ready. So mostly other places you don't get Kashmiri chilies are available in Goa, and yeah, other places like it is Bedgi and other chilies are there. But you see which one is getting red color. Bedgi also gives red color, but it is spicier side. So you have to take care then while adding. Okay, we'll leave this now for one day and then put it in our glass bottle and store it and enjoy. Thank you.
Here it is, ready, yummy mango pickle. This season mango pickle. Thank you.